It's a wonderful evening from whenever you're watching and listening to FM African Documentary. It has been rumored that the current president of the Republic of Kenya, Mr. William Ruto, together with the ODM party leader and the former Prime Minister Raila ODINGA, are in negotiation on a power sharing agreement. And the man that is said to be the negotiator between the two is the former president of the Republic of Nigeria, that is Mr. OLESUGUN OBASANJO. They call him the chairman. Now, in regards to the negotiation between the two presidents, what has been revealed is that Kioni has revealed two issues that Obasanjo raised during the Ruto-Raila talks, for which it seems that although the negotiation had been agreed upon, there are other arising issues in regard to the same matter and in regards to the said negotiation. Speaking during a media interview on Thursday, August 3rd, Jeremiah Kioni explained that Ruto and Raila engaged in a heated debate regarding the Ragos in Jubilee, each seeking claim to the party. According to Kioni's account, the former president, acting as the mediator, asked the two leaders how the dispute helped to lower the cost of living. How does the fight in regards to Jubilee ownership lower the cost of living? Both of you, Raila and William Ruto, tell me. That's a question that was posed out by OLESUGUN OBASANJO. That's where you come to realize, wait a minute, these people are not fighting for Kenyans. All of them are fighting in regards to controlling the political grounds and the political affiliations, because once you control Jubilee, you're controlling the Mount Kenya region, and once you control the Mount Kenya region, you have the power over this country. Now, quoting Kioni, says, in fact, when this issue of Jubilee was raised in Mombasa during the talks, Raila posed the question to Ruto. Ruto stated that Jubilee is his party and former president Uhuru Kenyatta stole it from him. Even Obasanjo laughed and asked how that is helping Kenyans out of the situation they are in. The second issue pointed out by the former Nigerian head of state was the weakening of the opposition. Kioni mentioned that Obasanjo couldn't comprehend the government's approach of lowering members from the Azimio function, which in turn hindered the opposition from carrying out its oversight role effectively. Now, regarding the exclusion of the Jubilee party from the dialogue team, Kioni responded by insisting that the party is satisfied with Azimio's 5 members. Now, quoting him, on the committee, I don't think this is going anywhere. Give it another 2 or 3 days. We are happy with the members. If we get an opportunity, we will sit in it. If not, then so be it. The former Daragwa Member of Parliament also opined that United Democratic Alliance UDA supporters from the Mount Kenya region and left the party because of the skyrocketing cost of basic commodities and the high standards of living. When you talk to Kenyans out there, they will tell you they are fed up with UDA. Instead of thinking of how they can deliver on the promises they made, they think that by killing opposition, they can have a chance of survival. Now, he also responded to accusation from Kileleshwa MCA Robert Alai, who claimed the Jubilee Party and NARC Kenya are not adding any value to Azimio. I don't want to talk about Alai because I put Alai and Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua in the same basket. That's a great insult, if I may say so. Gachagua said if you're not a shareholder, you will have to wait until it's your turn. On the other hand, Alai said in the same breath that in Mount Kenya during the mass protest, there was not enough disruptions, so Jubilee does not deserve to be in the committee. It's the same mentality. As long as you have the mentality, you will go nowhere, he added. Now, the dialogue team on Thursday, August 2nd, On Wednesday, August 2nd, Kenya Kwanza unveiled its 5-member team for the bipartisan talks. The team included National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah, Senator Majority Leader Aaron Cheruiyot, Embu Governor Cecil Barire, former Mombasa Senator Hassan Omar, and Bungoma Women Representative Catherine Wabilianga. On the other hand, the Azimio team comprises of Wiper Party Leader Kalonzo Musyoka, National Assembly Minority Leader Opiyo Wandayi, Democratic Action Party Leader Eugene Wamalwa, Nyamira Senator Okongo Omogeni, and Malindi Member of Parliament Amina Munyanzi. The 10 team is set to hold talks in a bid to iron out the issues between the opposition and the current government. Now, this has sparked a lot of reactions from the online battles, but in regards to few Kenyans that are leaving out their comments in regard to the said matter, I want to read just a few comments in regard to the same issue. I can see Charles Jao says, Embattled, Kioni has to come to terms with the fact that Jubilee is a non-entity in Azimio. Na kwani Murathe alimuacha to fight Jubilee battles peke yake. Expect Murathe to run away. That man with his cigarette can never keep up. Now, Paul Mwitu says a lie observation that Greater Mount Kenya region didn't participate in the mass destruction. Let me tell you, Mount Kenya people fight with pangas. They don't fight with stones. That one is good. Daniel Dongo says Kioni ni leader wa nani. Chris Madhoka says Kioni is at it again, always hallucinating. Mkenya Daima says, was Kioni in the meeting? Moses Wasike Nabangi says nobody trusts Kioni apart from Uhuru and Murathe. Yeah, that's what's up. And I think that's among the trending stories in the country. All I urge you to do is to subscribe.